In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix DX3DX9 underscore 43 DLL missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is to know the system type of our Windows 11. So go to the Windows search bar and type system information. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. It could be any of the browser. Search for Visual C++ redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and you have to click the download link corresponding to your system type. Click on the folder icon and then simply double click on the setup file. If you haven't installed this, just simply click on I agree to the license terms and conditions and click on install. But if you have already installed it, just like in my case, just simply click on repair. Now once done, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. You can also try to reinstall the program that is giving you the error. Just simply click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on apps, installed apps. Simply locate the application from here, click on the three dots and select uninstall and simply reinstall it into your Windows. You also need to consider updating your Windows, so click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here. This will check for, download and install the latest updates that your machine needs, so simply update your Windows. And that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.